Hello, everyone, and welcome to this presentation for NEXA Mortgage RELO Program. In this brief webinar, I'm going to walk you through the benefits of getting your MLO license and the process by which you can get there. So let's jump right in. Let's talk a little bit about what the ultimate goal here is. So we want to help our realtor partners thrive and grow in a changing market. So and next, we understand the challenges faced by realtors in today's dynamic market with low inventories and shifting buyer commission structures. Our RELO program, its Real Estate Loan Officer program, is designed to be a game changer. It's offering innovative solutions that enable our agents to maximize their earnings and build a sustainable business. We will talk about creating true value for our agents and what that means for you as a realtor. Okay, just a little bit about NEXA Mortgage. Some of you who may not be familiar with our company, we have over 250 wholesale lenders that we partner with, that we get our rates from and the programs from. It's just a huge amount. If we don't have a lender that offers a program, the program probably doesn't exist. There's very few scenarios that I run across that we're not able to help buyers with, even commercial. And we can talk about that on another program. But we're the largest and fastest growing mortgage brokerage in the country. We have a big emphasis on technology. We're a Zoom-based company, meaning that we're all connected. Our leadership, our support groups, processors, we're all Zoom-based. So we pop into Zoom several times a day and have our meetings. We can run our scenarios with scenario coaches. It's just great. It's like always having the answers right at your fingertips. So, and along those lines, we provide unparalleled support at all levels, and that comes through Zoom. Like I said, you pop in, you've got issues, you're going to get your questions answered right away. So what is the RELO program? As I said, it stands for Real Estate Loan Officer. And here are some of the details. You must be a licensed individual in order to receive compensation. And this program is going to help you get there. In other words, if you want to make money on the loan side of your deals, you have to have your loan officer license. Otherwise it's a kickback. We can't pay you a referral fee. You guys know that. You're aware of all the different legalities. Realtors that are duly licensed as loan officers can receive compensation for both roles. You may have been told that you can't. There are some states you can't, but here in Texas, there are no issues with it. And now previously the FHA prohibited the real estate agent and loan officer from dual roles. But on December 15th of 2022, FHA published Mortgagee Letter 2022-22, revising their conflict of interest and dual employment policy. Now, you already know brokerages have been making money on mortgage loans for decades. Probably if you're at a large real estate company right now, there's probably a lender right there in your office. And that's essentially what this is. They just have one in there for you to work with. This is going to help you create your own and have that own additional stream of income. The NEXA RELO program is designed to aid agents and teams to have access to the same opportunities as those large brokerages, of course, known as vertical integration. So, benefits of the NEXA RELO program. In addition to helping you get your license and guiding you through the initial steps of the program, here's some of the other benefits. So you will have increased control of the transaction. And there's a lot of different layers to that we can talk about if you have questions. But basically control of the transaction, meaning your price, the rate, you get to control that to help your buyer if we need to win the deal. You have the power of the largest mortgage broker in the country. You have access to NEXA's generous employee benefits program, should you choose to sign up for those. And you're going to increase your commission and revenues just by you're already doing the work. And this is just another way for you to increase your annual revenue. So here's how it works. You must obtain your mortgage loan originator license. So there's a 20-hour online course, and then you have to pass the National SAFE exam. Now, it's very similar to what you're used to on the real estate side. Once you're onboarded, you will be an originator on all loans. Okay, so your primary role is to take the loan application. So if you've got a buyer, you're just going to have them submit the application, and that's going to put you as the loan officer of record on that loan transaction. Now, next, you'll have a loan officer assistant. That'll be me, all right, and a processor that will be assigned to you to assist with the pre-approvals, processing, and closing. So essentially, you're going to take the application. You might tell them, "Hey, Bruce is going to ask you for, your driver's license, a copy of your bank statement, your W-2s, and your pay stubs. So be ready to send him those." That's it. Bring it over. We take care of doing the rest. We keep in touch with you, the flow of the loan. And then when the loan is closed, you're going to get a commission for the rate as the loan officer. And that's in addition to any real estate commissions you receive. So here's how the program earns you more on every transaction. Look, you're already doing much of the work, but right now you're leaving money on the table. So we're going to help you capture what we call lost revenue with this program. So how we do that? Terms. Your commission starts at 0.5. Okay, half a point. You're used to getting 3%. So there's a half a point to start with. Now, this is negotiable. So we can discuss this, and we'll look at how, what your overall volume is right now. And we may be able to start this at a higher. But this is designated to help us grow together. So as we work as a team and we grow together, that number is going to increase. It raises to 1% commission after one of the following conditions are met: 3 closed loans in a single month, or you've got 5 partner agents that you refer to me, to NEXA. So let's say, for example, your office, you might have a dozen realtors working at your brokerage. If you refer them over, and I've got 5 of your realtors in your office partner with me, that is going to enable you to get that full 1% commission. Purchases. You close your own loans and loans for other agents in your network. So that's how you can get paid on all these purchases, by closing your own loans and loans for the other agents in your network, in your office, on your team. Okay. Here's something that you don't get right now: refinances. So you're going to assist your clients when rates drop by offering them the ability to refinance with you. So you keep these folks in your CRM. I'm going to do the same thing. And once rates hit a certain level and it's time for them to refinance, we're going to reach out to them. And because you did the initial transaction with them, I'm bringing them back to you, and they're going to refinance. You're getting paid on that deal too. So now you got paid on the purchase. Now you're going to get paid on the refinance. If 4 or 5 years down the line they do a cash out refinance, you're going to get paid on that one. So again, lost revenue. You're leaving that money on the table right now, and we want to help you increase your revenue. So the revenue share, this is something else we offer. You bring on additional partners to receive a revenue share. We have 3 tiers of revenue share. It's similar to the EXP model, and you don't have to do this. We don't require recruiting. We don't require that you build your downline. It's just another way for you to have another stream of income. You probably got a lot of associates. You bring them in, you put them on your team, they're under you, it's in your downline. Everything they close, you're going to get paid on that as well. So it's just a great opportunity for you to capture lost revenue. Now, what are the associated costs? Now, just as it's true with your real estate license, in addition to the initial setup costs, you're going to have recurring fees, including a monthly tech fee and your annual continuing education licensing fee. So here are the setup costs. You've got your MLO online licensing course, which is $200. Then you have your SAFE exam fee, which is $110. There's a credit and background check of $75, and your state admin fee, it's $40 per state. That's a setup cost. Now, recurring cost, you have your monthly admin fee with NEXA, which is $80, and that just gives you access to the portal, the Zoom, all the training, everything that's in there that you need. That's the monthly admin fee, and we call it a tech fee. It's basically for access to all of the different channels that we have within NEXA. Then you'll have your annual state continuing education course and your annual state licensing fee. So I know you're used to that. You're already doing it anyway in real estate. When I was a realtor, There were plenty of fees. I used to think I was getting feed out. So many fees. So how do you get started? What's the next steps? Here's what I want you to do. Sign up for the NEXA Immersion Program. We can talk about that on a call when you're ready to book a call with me. And then you're going to attend the Why NEXA call every Thursday. It's at 1 p.m. Central. That's online. I can get you the Zoom link. Our CEO hosts it, and he answers he talks about NEXA, all things NEXA. He answers questions. He talks about compensation. He talks about growth, benefits, anything you want to discuss. Every Thursday, he hosts this Zoom online at 1 p.m. Central. And then third, you're going to contact me and sign up for your onboarding and your courses. Now, I also want you to reach out, and I'll show you here in a minute how you can just reach out and get more of your questions answered. So it's important that during this time that you start sending your loans to me. Start sending them to NEXA. This way your pre-approved files can be transferred to you once you're licensed. Okay, so if you got some people in there, they're starting to get pre-approved, we can go ahead and get them in the system. You're going to start getting more and more familiar with the process and how we're going to work together going forward. So previously unlicensed individuals, you can join our NEXA Academy. Okay, this is going to help you become more familiar with the lending process here at NEXA. This is not a requirement. It's just available for those of you who maybe want a deeper dive, if you want to be more hands-on in each lending transaction. Again, you don't have to do it. Your loan officer, assistant, myself, I'm going to handle all the deep dive issues with the loan. But if you want to be, more involved in the loan, understand more about what's going on throughout the transaction, highly recommend the NEXA Academy. I know people are very happy with it. And as you can see, it's producing graduated, skilled, independent, educated, self-producing loan officers. And we provide the best support for our students with the help of your NEXA family. We'll help you become one of the best loan officers in the business. So it offers expert-led training courses that allow even returning loan officers to have an in-depth working knowledge of how to originate mortgage loans. It'll get you through the barrier of entry and provide you the latest mortgage industry best practices that enable you to compete in today's competitive purchase marketplace. Again, not a requirement, but it is available for those who want it. Now, how to get started. Schedule your call with me, okay? So if you're watching this not on your phone, you can hold up your phone and scan that. I'll take you straight to my calendar where you can book a call with me, and I'll answer any of your questions and help you get onboarded. And then we'll talk about the trip. We will have a trip to the Detroit area, Pontiac, Michigan, where they take care of your expenses. They'll fly you up. They will put you in a hotel. You just have to pay for the training, the $200, the fees, the upfront fees I mentioned earlier in the presentation. So you can go to consultwithbruce.com, schedule that call with me, and we will go over and answer any questions you have and help you get started, get you onboarded into the program. So listen, I hope I've answered most of your questions in the presentation, but I'm sure you have more, and I look forward to connecting with you soon to answer any questions that you might have and help you get onboarded into this program. Listen, it's a great way to grow together, build each other's business. You're already doing the work. Here is another way for you to add another stream of income. We're seeing realtors earn 25, 30% more. So you're going to take a loan application for the buyer you have, okay, and then we'll do the work for you, all right, as your loan officer assistant. You will be the loan officer of record on every one of the deals you bring to us. All right, looking forward to talking with you soon. We'll see you next time. Thanks.
Hey, real estate pros. Tired of leaving money on the table? Listen up, because I'm about to spill the tea on how to seriously boost your income. It's called RELO, and it's a game changer for realtors. Imagine boosting your commissions on every deal. Sounds too good to be true, right? Wrong. By becoming a dually licensed agent through RELO, you're not just selling homes, you're opening up a whole new revenue stream. Think about it. You're already doing the work. Why not get paid more for it? Don't let another deal slip by without maximizing your profit. Join RELO today and start living your best financial life. Trust me, your future self will thank you.